and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. Joy to the world, the Savior.
Christmas party is organized basically for the young children. We basically wanted this party done for street children, where they never get a chance to get gifts, to know what is Christmas, to enjoy the Christmas spirit. But if you look at the response here, it is overwhelming. People from all walks of life have come. We were planning to have it around 200 people, but there are more than 600-700 people, and more are coming. So what it shows is people are waiting for events to happen. They want something nice to happen, and they have appreciated this Christmas party. We have to ultimately have the Christmas spirit going. Though Christmas is on 25th, today is 23rd. 2 days earlier, we should have the Christmas spirit going to create a feeling of goodness, of all festivals being celebrated with as much fervor as it always happens with such a festival like Christmas.